Another one! Yes! Tornado warning!
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a tornado warning for Suffolk County in southeast New York until 2:15 p.m. At 1:52 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado near East Islip or near Islip, moving north at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Oakdale, Islip Terrace, Connecticut River, and Bohemia. The safest place to be during a tornado is in a basement. Get under a workbench or other piece of sturdy furniture. If no basement is available, seek shelter on the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room such as a closet. Use blankets or pillows to cover your body, and always stay away from windows. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot and cover your head with your hands. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 2:15 p.m. for the following counties: Suffolk County, New York.